Hi everybody, BlockTech Ev here. In today's analysis, we're going to take a quick look at Litecoin, LTCUSDT Tether, and we will make reference to the Bitcoin market as well, because the altcoin market is not going anywhere without Bitcoin. All right, so let's start with Litecoin, and then we'll go over to a macro perspective. Currently, in the 3-day time frame, the Phoenix ascending. We've got the green coming down, making an angle down. We've got the red RSI pointing down, blue LSMA pretty low underneath the 50 zone, all pointing to we could most likely be going a little bit lower over the next 3 days. And especially over the weekend, we've got, the usual weekend volatility that we can look forward to. So this gray zone that I've drawn in over here makes a really, really good entry point for Litecoin. And you'll see this more clearly if we go to the 1 week time frame, because from a 1 week perspective, you can see that we have been trading above these zones a lot of the times. And the truth is, no one hardly gets the exact bottom entry. So just from a full chart perspective, getting an entry over here somewhere at this point is a really, really decent entry, a really decent place to start reaccumulating Litecoin. All right, but also once again in the 1 week time frame, things are not looking very good, looking like we might definitely be going a little bit lower. So now this takes us to the Bitcoin chart, a little bit of a bigger, a picture look. And when we look at Bitcoin in the 1 week time frame, what we have been saying is that this weekly candle that we are currently busy with, we've still got 3 days and 8 hours left. So it's obviously going to close over the weekend on Sunday. And this current candle that we are busy with, if we are unable to close it above our neckline resistance here at 40, pretty much from 40 to 42, if we can't close that candle in this zone over here above our neckline resistance, I would say that we are still going to go down one more time to ultimately complete the massive head and shoulders pattern before we then carry on back upwards. All right, so it seems likely that we could be heading back to this zone over here. It's been a very wicky zone, a lot of price action wicking from this 29 area. So by looking at the technicals, I think it's possible that we might still be going a little bit lower. However, there's another 3 days and 8 hours left for the market to make a decision on this. So I will definitely be watching this 1 week candle in Bitcoin very closely before I take a look at any of the other altcoins, because Bitcoin is pretty much going to call the direction in the next 3 days and 8 hours. So once again, we'll be looking for this weekly candle to close above here to really, really be convinced of a reversal. All right, so back to Litecoin. Once again, we are currently trading in a quite ideal zone over here to reaccumulate. Not a bad price. As they say, if you've loved Litecoin at 400, you're definitely going to like it at 100 as well. And in the next few days, I do see the probability of the price action wicking back into this zone, especially if Bitcoin gets rejected at 40 or 42 zone. And that's it from my side, guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to follow the channel and check out our other channels for much more content on much more coins. Cheers.